Hello guys, Grutzi. Today guys, we're going to make marketing guys. All we have to do is we have branch from the fruit that you want to plant to make market to attach to another tree. I mean the same tree but different color or variety. So what we have here is we have aloe vera for disinfectant and to make it hormone for good rapid rooting to attach the skin of the plants, the zion. So we have here the branch of apple, green apple from our neighborhood, and we're going to attach this one to our red apple. The pink apple inside is pink color, but outside is red, violet, or pink, whatever. So now we're going to cut this one. We cut it guys in a slant way. Ouch. So this is quite hard already guys, because we have to attach the matured one. So there are nodes where the old leaves was removed and then heal already, they become node. So what we have to do is to remove the skin from here. So we only just turn around until make it, you see, the until to the skin will be removed, not the hardwood to remove the skin guys. We have to remove. So because our scissor is old, little bit rusty, so we have a natural aging to sanitize our plant. It's not my first time to make market guys. I did this already many times. I transported to Philippines, but then there, like, the one that I market was rose, yellow rose, but then it's so hot there and we transfer many times because we build the house. And then, by the way guys, we have here another material to attach our plant. So we have here the veneer plastic. This is for, for packaging the food. All we have to do is to cut this one. So guys, here we make again one more, we cut more. Because we don't have the marketing plastic, so we will use this one. marketing tape. We do that, and then what we have to do is to remove all the leaves, guys, that you really notify that it will give another leaves, that your marketing is good in progress. Actually, they cut only like this, like that, but for me, I remove everything. uh, Look, just remove to notify that there will be a new leaves there soon. I have different varieties of marketing, guys. Because I have plastic that I bought online. I will show you later on, guys, after I cut this one. Then I have another one that I marked we call it Mirabellen. We have our plants there, fruit tree plant in front of our house. We transferred last year the plant, and then last 2 weeks ago or 3 weeks ago, I marked a different variety of this green color of Mirabellen. I forgot the name in English. Ah, na it's a family of apricot, like that. A family of apricot, guys. Then I have that one. Later I will show you and make sure. So we're going to attach this one. I forgot. Ah yeah, we put already the aloe vera. We put again. So we still have a lot of aloe vera here. So guys, this one we will attach. We will look for another branch. I'll show you. So we have here the small branch. I will remove the branch. Guys, I will remove the branch off. There is a small branch I removed already. So there are 3 small branches we will remove. So guys, I'm removing the no. So guys, I'm removing the skin of the branch here. So guys, here is the skin of the branch that I removed. As you see, this is the node, another branch, or the zion. So guys, we will put this one now. No, wait, I have to disinfect to bolster the skin. So here I have the tissue. Guys, I have here the veneer plastic. Now we will attach now. Make sure there are no more leaves here. So next time I will show you if it's really works. So guys, I have to cut more the skin because the skin that we must remove must be until here also the same long. Can you help me? I need you hold that branch because it's hard to. Okay, you bring this. I have helper now, guys. Oh no, hold this please. So I make sanitize. You hold here, shut here. Oh, shut. You removing. Must be balanced their shots. Shots. Move a little bit. Judge, pulling. Judge. Oh, Judge, be careful. Or else we'll start again.
Jetzt musst du vielleicht auch mit deiner Schnur noch fixieren. Später. Verstehst du?
Few more, Judge. Okay guys, look at this. I marked already guys. Oh, this is another apple tree, the green one. So this is what I mean guys, is another marketing. You have this plastic, oh, this one we put soil here, that this one we can transfer to different places, or I will bring to Philippines. As you see here guys, here I did not cut the tip, so I did not disinfect this one. Hopefully it still survive this one. But here, oh, look at this. In this part, the branches started to grow. So it means here is damage until this part. But here is still okay. But the same procedure guys, inside we have to cut the skin. So this one, I put plastic, but the same of this. I put plastic because it will slide, this one, because it's heavy. Oh, because it's going down. Oh, so hopefully this will survive and can give branches that I can bring this to Philippines guys. So I will show you guys. I have another markets here, like this one. This is peach. This is peach guys. On the top, I remove the tip of this. Look at that. I remove, then I put aloe vera. I disinfect all the places of the leaves where I cut. I put aloe vera, so will not get this will not get bacteria guys. There is soil inside of this, so this one hopefully I can bring to Philippines. And we have here the, what is this, shots? Blueberries. So right there I have different, and because they are different variety shots, gal. They have different variety of blueberries. So I make one here, and over there one also, so I can bring to Philippines in the future. And so all the leaves here I remove. As you see, there is soil here, and the other one, because it will be sliced, because there's no enough. Oh, this is upright. There's not enough of branches down. because this branch is very tiny and it will slide, guys. You see, there is branch little, so I put this plastic, this veneer plastic. Look at this, guys. There is one ripe. Maybe after 2 days, this one, all these fruits will be ripe. Look at this, one ripe for this year. A little bit sour. Then we have another variety of blueberry here. But this one I don't make marcot. I make marcot of this, but the marcot was removed. So later on I will do it. I will make the bigger branches. So Shots, what is this variety, Shots? I think this one is Swiss. No, I can see here because there is a Basinum Curry MB. Oh, this is very expensive, guys. It costs 45 Swiss franc. But the other two pieces there, different variety, it costs 22 Swiss franc. So guys, we're going to another place that I will show you the development of what I marked last 2 weeks or 3 weeks ago. I will show you. We're going there. Because what I really like is to bring plants from Europe to Philippines. Because, you know, when I get very old, I want to have the fruits from here. As you see, guys, this one, this one I marked. Look at that, the branch come out already. There is tiny branch. This is different color. This is green because the fruit of this the leaves of this is green and the fruit is green. Then when it will become ripe, then we become yellow. So the fruits of this is this. Oh, look at that. Red color, red violet. Look at that. I will show you. We have big tree here. This is the first one we planted. Look at this. A lot. That's why I want to make market and put different variety. A lot of fruits. So guys, then I will show you the first one that I make market is the kiwi. But then we went to Philippines and nobody gave water to our plants. The one that I make market was died because there are roots already. That encouraged me to, to make market again. This is the kiwi. The fruit is very tiny but very sweet. That's why I want to make this one. Then the branches of this, I removed some of this and I replanted. Very easy to grow. Then the branch that I planted, I put aloe vera. So here, look at this. This still surviving, guys. I put 2, and the one that I replanted last year, now is really big progress because there are leaves already, guys. Look at this. Look at this, guys. Everything I put in one box. Look at this. Oh, oh, wow. So that's all, guys. I hope you like my video. Please like and share. Thank you for watching my channel. Bye for now.